Yao River Lane. Pretty bucolic scene. Fishermen and probably a tour boat. This is certainly a recent restoration, if not new. I think that's the pasta before he takes it and places it in the machine. And I think it gets placed in the machine right there, just like a roll of paper would. And then it just gets run through. And out there comes all of the thin rice noodle. Probably some other implements, maybe even older versions of this one. How many places in the world could this be a picture of? Now that would be worth taking a ride in. I bet you I could do it too. You wonder how the buildings along this stream would have been used in the past. Look at those little buildings that overhang it. Any connection to the stream or just more space to build on? Here the camera can take us from the front door through this first little room and back to the back room and out to the river. This old building now looks like a warehouse for old architectural stuff or new to replacing old plus furniture and so forth. But look at that neat piece of furniture there. Looking back up towards the town now. This might have always been kind of like a little court square for the town. At this end at least. These would be lovely homes to own. Can you imagine if the purpose of this rod, and it looks like it, is to indicate water levels. But look at how far the river is below us right now. 40, 50 feet. I'm guessing that I can just exit right this way somehow. I'd love to see this in the United States. Found this little parklet to walk along. I don't know how far it extends. There's the first bridge I need to get to. Here's somebody drying some of the local produce, whatever it is. Looks like some kind of a bean. Yep. The river looks like it doesn't move very much. Close to shore you can see just the slightest bit of movement. Well, it continues on a little bit farther. Nice concept, really. It's broken up into chunks. Seems to continue along in one form or another. Not maintained, but someday it can be again. But it's pretty and interesting nevertheless. Whoever designed it had a great concept. Moving to the left, I'll pan to the right, but here's apparently the original walls of the city, or at least restored. You can see what I think may be the original part there. Up on that hill is where I was making my shots from, and then traversed down that pathway to get down below. The bus station's across the river behind me somewhere, looking through this outer gate, which is new, and through that inner gate, which we were at early this morning. There you can see the remnants of the 4-square Ming Tower. Now I'm at the juncture of these two rivers. Most of what you see behind this wall that's being restored is all of the tourist-built facilities that I walked through early on this morning. And now we'll go to the left and across the big bridge. And on the left should be the bus station and back to Tunxi.